Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide applications into OPPO A57s. First of all, open your settings and scroll down and find privacy option here. Now choose hide apps and first of all need to enter our privacy password. If you don't have your privacy password, need set up firstly this and then go into hidden apps option. So now from the list choose your application, maybe Gmail. Okay, need set up access code, tap settings and need to enter your access code like this. So maybe something like that, and tap on the top right corner to save, OK button, and now tap done. And select one more application, maybe LinkedIn, maybe photos. OK, and now go to our phone application and press to enter number and enter our access code. Like this. And here we got our hidden apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.